All right, we're looking at this multifunctional oiler. This was probably the best price one on the platform, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is the size of it. It's kind of hard to judge these things based off of the picture, but let's see. It's like the size of my face. This has two features that I really like. The main feature I wanted it for is I have a Blackstone, and it's hard to get oil on that unless you have a mister. So this one kind of works like a spray bottle. So when you do that, you can see the oil that it sprays, right? And the nice thing about this is I can spray down my Blackstone before I'm cooking and after I'm cooking. If you don't want to spray, you also have the option, if you click this little button on the top, like that, it opens up, pretty neat, and you can pour, which I don't really use, and I don't like it that well because it gets kind of in there, but it has like a nice little chamber in there where it collects it all so it doesn't drip all over the place. But I really like the lid, and that keeps it from spilling. But yeah, the handle seems good enough. I would say if you were to drop this outside, it probably would break off. But for the price, I think this is a very good product. This is glass, which is nice. You don't have plastic, holding it, but obviously there's plastic components in here. So this is the oiler. There you go.